Hi, today we are going to look at some advanced developer workflows when using OpenCode. I hope you have OpenCode set up. If not, please check out this video here. And this video also tells you how to get access to some free models provided by OpenCode. And these are frontier models. These are huge models if you don't have a model configured in OpenCode. For now, we want to create some commands that are ready to use, and commands usually are these slash commands here, and we could create our own commands that we could use. So we could very well create commands out of these skills that we created. If you wanted more to be used ad hoc, not in an agentic setup, and you want a user triggered command, you could also do that. Skills are usually used by the agent most of the time. You could also use the skills yourself, but usually used by the agents. And commands are what humans can use. Like here, let's try to create a command, sort of like an idea generator, to create multiple ideas. If I have to generate ideas for different things, so we do it in the similar way. You can exit from here to here. Okay, just like skills went into a .agents directory, commands are very specific to OpenCode, and for that they need to be inside the .opencode directory, the command. And here I could create an ideas.md for the name, so the command will be /idea, and in this case start off with the generate alternate ideas front method, and it's accessible in the plan agent. I can say that think about alternate idea most and important to leave. So now this is inside my OpenCode directory, and the command. I can go to my OpenCode. I would need to restart OpenCode, and here I can see idea as a command. So I could ask that, okay, shoot a game in index.html. Yeah, give me idea. So I spelled it wrong here, so it has already done its job. It's come up with a list of alternate ideas, quite a few here. Highest impact, crawling shooter, multi-directional, power-up, boss battle. There are a few lower impact ones like enhanced particles, sound, Easter egg. We see that it automatically switched to the plan mode when I triggered this particular idea generator tool, because that's the agent that we asked it to be used with, and it goes inside the plan mode. So I could create other commands that whichever you use. I could have a test command to test my app. I could have a review. I think there is already a review in OpenCode. I can do it in a different way. So you can create custom commands for whatever you need to make your workflow fast. Ideas is one of them. I could create a command for Git. So this command here was pretty static. There is nothing that changes based on the user request, but we could. There is a way for us to pass argument or pass values to this particular command, and do that using, so I want to pick, let's say, I use a specified number of ideas, and if nothing is passed, then 5. So write out, so go to ideas, and I would say 2, or here specified n equals to 2, and there are 2 parameters here that I pass, but my command only takes 1, so it has concatenated this here. But luckily the model understood that n is 2 here, but I could split this up into separate things here. So n would be my first argument, and then the idea has it here directly, or whatever the user says, and here should work. For now, as you can see, the model provided me with 2 ideas since I asked it for 2, but if I restart session and ask it to generate idea, let's say 3, and or shoot a game 3D in this case, then it would go inside different things. So n is 3, and ideas for shoot a game 3D comes here. So I have placeholders for both of these in my command, and it's directly from the ideas command that in this case, if you see, there are 3 ideas: trajectory 1, trajectory 2, and trajectory 3. There are 3 total ideas that I requested. 3 total ideas as requested about shoot a game 3D, and gave me a bunch of sub ideas there, but I would consider these trajectories as the main idea. And this is the beauty of custom command. You can use it for anything. You can create custom commands for anything that you like, describe it in natural language, and the model helps us work with human in the loop, providing the parameter. Right now, when we trigger the idea command, it does the thinking in this particular context, so it's kind of polluting our current context with all its thinking, and also the responses. What if I don't want to pollute my current context when I execute this command? I can easily do that by making this a subtask. So I can just specify here that task and set it to true. Now we had a new session. I restarted OpenCode just to, now when I set idea, I can see that I want only 3 ideas, and travel plan this summer in Asia. And here, if you see, it's triggered this as a sub-agent, and I can see that with Control X and down, and the sub-agent runs totally separately. And here it has given me these 3 ideas, and when I go back, it summarized the ideas instead of polluting my whole context. This is the benefit of using sub-agent, that you don't pollute your current context with all the thinking and all the long text that is generated as part of a subtask. And you want to maintain only the summarized important pieces in your main conversation flow. If you want to make sure that a particular command always triggers a certain model, you can also specify a different model here. I have only the OpenCode free models. You can also pick one of those to trigger this every time. You can try these things. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. You know the drill. See you in the next one.